Welcome to a quick start for uploading inspection data to Pioneer by SewerAI. Once you've logged into Pioneer, you'll want to locate the big blue Upload Files button. At that point, we prompt you for just a few pieces of information. The project name, for instance, I might call this month end data, and a PO number, or however you organize your projects. Please tell us the inspection type, in this case, let's say mainline, and you can also tick the box to have our artificial intelligence computer vision autocode run automatically when the upload's complete, or you can wait to initiate that yourself. I will drag over now a Finder or Windows Explorer folder. We ask you to organize your data such that there's a group of videos you want condition assessed and a MDB database, that's an access database, either NASCO Exchange or PipeLogix, in a folder. So in this case, in this folder, you'll see I have a database from Disneyland and 4 videos sitting in a folder. At that point, you can drag or click to move that entire parent folder into the uploader. Our system will scan and show you what video files you've offered us, what database is present, and the fact that they match and represent all told 718 linear feet of inspection data. If you want to remove a video because you don't need it to be uploaded, you can simply click the X. In that case, you'll see our system warns us that while it has 4 inspection rows in the database, it only has 3 videos. Nonetheless, you can proceed with your upload by clicking the big blue upload button. We will take smaller files like the database or text files or Excel files first, and then we will start uploading the videos. We have extensive retry logic to resume an upload even if it gets interrupted, but generally we ask that you not close the computer or shut the browser until your upload has finished. As soon as our system scans the database, you can return to the main inspection page and you'll see that the data rows have already been established for these 4 inspections. Now we're just waiting for the upload to complete. It's that simple to upload data to Pioneer by SewerAI.